Guided exercise number 6 says the indefinite integral of 5 cotangent 4x dx. And if you look at this, you might guess that your u should be 4x. And then your du would be 4dx. But even if you made that substitution, you would be stuck trying to integrate cotangent. And if you go back and look at your integration formulas or your anti-differentiation formulas, there's not a cotangent listed as an integrand. And so this is not really what you want to do. In fact, this problem, this reminds me of like when you're watching a scary movie and you realize that the characters are like walking into a trap. Don't do it. Don't walk into the trap. This is a trick. And you want to tell the characters, don't do it, don't do it. Yeah, it's like that. So here's the trick. And I would never, ever think of this on my own, but it's a trick that someone else some other time came up with. And so I can apply the trick. And once you've seen me do it, you can apply the trick too. So indefinite integral, 5 cotangent is the same thing as cosine 4x over sine 4x. And so I can rewrite my integrand as 1 over sine of 4x times cosine of 4x dx. And now this looks like something we can work with, because what it looks like is that u should be sine of 4x. Which would make du be cosine of 4x and then times 4 dx. And we already almost have that, so we're in pretty good shape right now. So let's modify this a little bit. So all we need is a 4. So let's do indefinite integral 5, throw in a 4th, times 1 over sine of 4x times, and then 4 cosine 4x dx. And so this 4 cosine 4x dx, now we finally found du. And we already found our u before, it was sine of 4x. So now we're ready to do the substitution. So it's the indefinite integral of 5/4 times, debating color choice again, 1 over u du. And you might be thinking natural log, and you'd be close. 5/4 natural log absolute value of u plus c, which is 5/4 natural log absolute value sine 4x, and then plus c. So that's our final answer. We can go ahead and check it as well. So check step. Derivative of 5/4 natural log absolute value sine 4x is equal to 5/4 times 1 over sine 4x times 4 cosine 4x. So this 4 and this 4 cancel, and we get 5 cotangent of 4x. So that checks out.